In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board to another workspace. This detailed guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can efficiently transfer your board to the desired location within your Trello account. Let's begin by heading to Trello's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar, press enter and you'll be taken directly to Trello's main page. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment now to click on the login button located at the upper corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Whether you prefer using your email address or opting for a quicker login via your Google account, Trello has you covered. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your boards and workspaces. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of your Trello homepage and click on the Boards option. This will bring up all the boards you have access to. Carefully select the board you wish to copy by clicking it. Once inside the board, look towards the upper right corner for a series of 3 vertical dots. These are more commonly referred to as the menu or options button, and clicking it will unveil a drop-down menu with various options for managing your board. From this menu, find and click on the copy board option. This is where the actual duplication process begins. A prompt will appear asking you to give a new name to your copied board. Choose a name that will make it easily identifiable in its new location. This could be as simple as appending the word copy to the end of the original name, or something more distinct to suit your organization's needs. With the new name set, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Workspace. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available workspaces within your Trello account. From here, select the workspace where you intend to copy your board. Ensuring you choose the correct workspace at this stage is crucial as it determines where your duplicated board will reside. Once you've selected the desired workspace, everything should be in place to finalize the operation. At the bottom of this prompt, you'll find the Create button. Clicking on this will initialize the copying process, and within moments, you'll have a duplicate of your board set up in your chosen workspace. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully duplicated a Trello board into another workspace, maintaining all the vital organization your team relies upon. Knowing how to perform these tasks efficiently not only saves you time, but also enhances team collaboration by ensuring everyone has access to the resources they need in the right context. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to refer back to this video at any time. Happy Trelloing!